Go.
So, today we are going to be having a look at the Sensory Direct Fidget Toy Jar, which contains 10 of our most popular fidget toy items. So, we are going to start with the squishy mesh ball, which looks like this. And if you squeeze this, you get some lovely tactile feedback. But just to note that,
bubbles.
And the bubbles. Just to note, this is not suitable for chewing. So if you have a child who is under 3 or tends to mouth items, then this one may not be suitable for them. So next we have the tentacle ball, which again is a great tactile fidget toy. You can stretch it, you can squeeze it, and the little spikes on the end of the tentacles provide even more sensory feedback.
And here we have the Chew Buddy.
You can do the Chew Buddy if you want.
And you can put it around your neck. And you can chew it and bite with your tooth.
You can go.
And next up we have a personal favourite of mine, which is the squeezy banana. So this has a slightly sticky feel to the outside, but don't worry, it's not going to stick to your carpets or your furniture. And you can squeeze this and it gives some really great tactile feedback with the little balls inside the banana. So similar to the squishy mesh ball, but not popping out. You can see it pops out like that. And it's in a really fun, easy shape to hold in your hand, like so.
And this is a stretchy figure, when means you pull.
And he bends as well,
bends.
doesn't he?
So it's a bit tougher, gives a bit more resistance.
Yep.
And again, this is not suitable for chewing, so we encourage you not to give this to children who tend to mouth things.
Okay.
Go.
So next up is one of our most popular items. It's the tangle. So this is a smooth textured tangle which you can use as a distraction or fidget toy. And you can bend it and twist it and scrumble it up like so.
This is the stretchy caterpillar. So when you pull it, it goes like this. You bend it, you stretch it.
Can you chew it?
No.
No.
It's not suitable.
No. Go.
So now we have the chewy tubes, which like the Chew Buddy are part of our chewing range. So these are suitable for chewing purposes. So you can pop these onto the tops of pens and pencils, or you can use them on strings of hoodies, or simply attach them to a piece of string and keep them around your neck. And we have a smooth one with the Chew Buddy logo, and we have a knobbly chewy tube as well.
This is the tangly toy.
It's called a twist and lock block. So you can, what do you do with it?
You can bend it,
Twist it.
twist it, and you can...
Is it fun to play with?
Yes. It is.
Yeah.
Do I do this one as well, Lee?
Of course. And this is
Is it the twisty snake?
the twisted snake, like the twisty squares.
What's it made from?
It's made from wood.
And it's good fun, is it?
It is.
A fidget toy.
Now, the fidget toy jar is not recommended for children under 3, as it contains small parts, and it should be used under supervision at all times. We do not recommend that you give this to children who mouth and chew, as toys contain small parts which could be a choking hazard.
These toys are for tactile manipulation. They are not indestructible and children should be discouraged from pulling them excessively as small